So yeah, just finished fixing my sunroof on my Civic. For some reason, I looked online and there's no information about closing sunroof. However, mine been stuck since this morning, and I've been looking online for like information about how to get it closed. And man, it's been a struggle. First, let's say about removing the front panel, the lights at the front. Well, I did remove those in the 2012 Civic. I don't know about the next, but in the 2012 Civic, there's no screw at the front to adjust that moonroof. However, there was a video online that I found on and YouTube, and one of the Civic forum that said this right here: remove the dome light, and then you can access the gear. Um, the only thing with this, there's a metal right there, and the gear is like there's an opening, and the gear is all the way down there, as you can see. So what I had to do is get a Allen wrench. I think this is a number 4. I got a number 4, and I tried to do it through the opening here, but it wouldn't work. So what I did was just pry a small needle hole right below it, and as you can see, insert the Allen wrench and go from there, turn it clockwise, and I was able to get it shut. So thank goodness it didn't rain today. It's been raining all week, and man, I'm just thankful that this is minor. I can always get this replaced, but now I got to see them, and I just gonna pretty much pull the fuse. I don't really need to be using it, so I'm gonna pull the fuse. So if somebody else out there, I realize that this is like a big thing in the Honda scene when it comes on to these moon roofs getting stuck. So if you guys have a similar generation Civic as me, I guess this is something that you can do. I said pull it from the back. Then one person, I suggested pulling out the entire trim, all of this, but I said let's pull right here. You can look for yourself and see where's that, and if you can actually get it from here, that's good. But otherwise, I said yeah, that's small opening, small hole. And I said take it out. It's just a pinhole right there. Nobody gonna even notice that. But there it is.